agree to become my enforcer, clerical concerns would be the...
Stay with me.
Huh?
I told you that was a bad idea. They'll keep sending hunters. Now listen, I'm gonna go out there and I'm gonna look around.